Hello everyone. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. My name is Vaishnavi and today I am going to deliver a speech on Independence Day. So let's start. So every year on 15 August, we celebrate Independence Day to commemorate the first day of India's independence and the all-heroic freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives to secure India's independence. On 15 August 1947, the British rule over India came to an end. We received our all fundamental rights in our country after our independence. Everyone should be proud to be an Indian and celebrate our good fortune to have been born in an independent India. During the British rule, the British were ruthless towards our forefathers. Sitting here, we have no idea that how challenging it must have been for India to relate the British Empire. It took many sacrifices from many freedom fighters and decades of fighting between 1857 to 1947. Later, many outstanding freedom fighters engaged in a lifelong battle for freedom. We can never forget our freedom fighters who sacrificed their life just fighting for the freedom of our country. Moreover, Mahatma Gandhi was a great Indian leader who taught his countrymen a valuable lesson in non-violence. Finally, after many struggle and sacrifice, it came to an end on 15 August 1947 when India gained independence. Independence Day is a national occasion and celebrated as a national holiday on which all schools, shops and universities are remain closed. This day is a token to all freedom fighters and patriots who sacrificed their lives so we could experience and live in a free land. At last, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day again and hope that we can build a wonderful nation together. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.